Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys accessibility setting, and today video title is guys how to on power button to end call setting in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to on Redmi mobile phone power button to end call setting, you want to cut call with power button. So how to cut call with power button one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll it. Friends, click here additional setting. After additional setting friends, you can use phone date and time setting, language setting, gesture shortcut, screen recording, one hand mode, clear speaker setting, accessibility. Click here. After accessibility setting friends, click here vision setting. After vision setting friends, you can use talkback, you can use select to speak. You want to change your display size, so friends you can change display size, and you can use color correction, color conversion setting. So friends, varies power button to angle setting friends. Again swipe here mono audio friends, you want to adjust your phone mono audio setting, so you can adjust mono audio friends. Again click here right side, and friends click here power button to and call setting. So friends, you want to cut call with power button, so guys on it, and guys when your screen is on, so you can use power button to end call setting. You can cut call, press power button and you can cut call. So like that friends, you can on power button to end call in your Redmi mobile and you can use it. And friends, you don't want to use power button to end call setting, so friends click here search bar, and when search here POWER power button to end call setting friends, click here and you can off power button to end call and you can on from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on and off power button to end call in Redmi mobile. Bye.